Welcome to Top Education. In this session, guys, we are doing costing method and the chapter 1, which is called Introduction to Costing Methods. So there are different types of methods we'll learn in this chapter. And guys, your costing, the syllabus is also about the job and batch costing, processing costing, contract costing, operating costing. So there are different types of costings. We'll learn these sums also and the theoretical part also. So first, what is costing? See, in each and every there are some organization, okay, who will start their business and they will do their business very good. It moves out very well. But here it comes to an existence of cost. What we have, now I have produced a box or something. For example, I have produced a pencil box. Now, what is the cost involved in it? How I will identify the cost? See here, the manufacturing cost 15 rupees, transport cost is 9 rupees, the expenses, maybe the light bill, rent, labor, including 6 rupees. So all the total I will get something around, but the selling price will be 50 rupees, and the difference between these two price will be my profit. Why we identify the cost price? Because we should know each and every product how much the cost is involved in one unit. ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಐ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ನೌ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್? ಆಸ್ ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, costing is in process to identify the cost incurred while manufacturing a product or rendering a service. Product irbodu, service irbodu. We are identifying for the product goods also and the services also. Yen identify madbeko? Cost na. So that is known as costing. Now we have different types of costing methods. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಬರೀ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಜಾಬ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಬರೀ ಜಾಬ್ಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಜಾಬ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಜಾಬ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು? ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಇಟ್. ಜಾಬ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಆ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ನಾನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ವ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಒಂದು ಜನ ಶೇಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಒಂದು ಜನ ಏನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ರೇ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಆ ಟ್ರೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅದು ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ ವೈಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿ. Okay, this calci is manufactured. Okay, how? There are different types of procedure involved. First, LED idalva, idu bere avaru ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. The branding, the stickering is done from other. The paint or the color or the buttons are from other sources, and the shell which they have put inside, that is from other. So different jobs ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಇವಾಗ ಇವನು ಇದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅವನಿಗೆ, ಆ ಥರ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಬ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಈಚ್ ಜಾಬ್, ಇವಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟನ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಅವ್ರು ಇದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಈ LED ಹಾಕಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ ಈ LEDದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ದಿ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಪ್ಯಾನಲ್, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ಕರ್ಡ್ or how much I have to give to him to to produce this thing. So that is known as job costing. For example, you can take printers, the machine tools, example ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So that is known as job costing. Job costing andre we have produced something, ಓಕೆ, ಅದರದು ಜಾಬ್. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಅದು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನಗೆ ಕಾಸು ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಐ ನೀಡ್ ದಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪುಟ್ ಮೈ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿ. Okay, so I should need something part of from that only, that is also calculated, and that is known as job costing. Next we have contract costing. Contract costing is done for big job, long period. Contract costing andre there may be a like construction of a building. Okay, let's take an example of a building. Building ಹೆಸರು ಏನು ಕಣ? Top education. Okay, the building name ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the building name is top education. The contract is done. Now what happened here is each and every material, maybe the cement, maybe the bricks, maybe the each and everything, the contract costing is done. Civil engineers and constructions are taken into this consideration. Okay, so that is known as contract costing. Contract costing means there are some agreements, they will sign an agreement, or there is a long period. See, long period, big jobs, for example construction of a building, that you can take. Batch costing andre batch unit factory. Batch costing will be introduced in the factories. Yak factories andre ಇಲ್ಲಿ there are 1 batch, 2 batch, 3 batch, 4 batch. One batch is producing underwear, second batch is producing bunian, third batch is producing the shirts, fourth batch is producing the pant. Now each batch will have different types of costing. ಈ ಶರ್ಟ್ ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಗಾರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಡನ್. Next we have process costing. Now what is process costing means that we have continuous production, there is no stop. Ali we don't have stop only, we have every day the production is continue. Okay, so here what happened is the paper industries, chemical industries are involved in this. Process costing andre adralli what are the cost incurred while producing the paper, while producing the chemical things, that all are calculated. See, there are different types of costing methods. Okay, it may be a contract costing, batch costing, process costing, a unit or output costing, operating costing. They are only by the name, they are different, but the work of them is to calculate the cost is only it is the purpose is to calculate the cost, how much cost I have incurred to produce this product. That's it. Next we have operating costing. Operating costing is an service oriented. Sorry, we have left one more. Unit or output costing. See, unit andre 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit, these types of units. Output, how much I am giving the outputs. So this is also a continuous production, but there are units. First unit, second unit, third unit. For example, mines, oil drilling, cement work, brick work, all those are taken in the unit way. Operating costs are those service oriented, not into manufacturing of goods. So this costing is done only for the service given. For example, hotel, hospital. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ there will be the waiters salaries. Okay, the expenses based on the hotel, then they are actually calculating the operating cost. Next, last but not least, we have farm costing. Farm costing means the fruits, flowers, rearing of animals, silkworm, agriculture activities. All those activities which are related to agriculture, which are related to animal husbandry, those are called farm costing. To identify the cost, this process is done. We'll learn in a detailed manner in the next chapter, which we have here is the job and batch costing. We'll learn job and batch costing, process costing, contract costing, and operating costing. We'll learn these things. and will be in the next session. We'll start with the sums, with the theory also, because this subject is theory oriented also and practical oriented also, maybe 50-50 or 50 or 75-25%, like that. So all the best, do well. If you have not understand any of the point, just ask me in the comment section so I can clear your doubts. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like, then please subscribe our channel Top Education. Thank you.